guys, good day, good morning, and welcome to another weekly update episode 70. So guys, thank you guys for those of you who have been here with us. We are close to, we are gradually we are going to 2 years now. We are more than 1.5 years making this weekly update, because in a year we have 52 weeks, and now we have 70 episode. So thanks to all of you who have been here since day one with us, and for those who have subscribed to the channel, really appreciate you. Those who took their time to always comment on our video, who always give our video a jamming thumbs up, really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. So by the way, video you're about to watch now, you see the process of us making some of our bags, and some bags we have been up to from like 2 weeks ago. So we still continue some of them this week, and probably finger crossed we should be able to deliver them this week if we finish up the work. But what is delayed not is the customer, is the client, not we. So if we are able to finish, we'll send the bags out. So, and guys, again, let me remind you of something. For those of you who want to do training, or who want to learn how to make a bag from us, our online training is pretty well available. No matter where you are in the world, you can apply for our online training. And the on-site training as well is also available. If you are in Abuja or in Niger State, the location is in Abuja. So if you are close to this place, you can come for the physical training. But if you can't make it, you can also apply for the online training. So link will be in the description. My WhatsApp will also be in the link in the description. My business WhatsApp and personal WhatsApp. If you have anything to discuss with me concerning the training or concerning bag making. So guys, for those of you who are yet to subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe as you are watching this video before you get to the end. Also, when you subscribe, don't also forget to turn on the post notification bell. So by the way, most of the bag I'm about to show you are here. So right now we'll be turning the camera so that you guys can see it clearly. As you can see inside as well, we have some bag inside we are still working on, and we still have few. We have some material here. We have few we are about to also make. So we'll start that, but this might not get to enter this week updates. But if I as I said earlier, that if I'm able to finish the bags, we'll send them in this week update. But if not, it will be next week update. So guys, enough talking. Without no further ado, see the rest of the video. See you at the other side. So guys, here we have this bag, the one I just finished. You watch the time lapse, these two, and this is the one we've made previously. And here is another black one, here's another one, and we have few we'll be making, and the handle. Probably if we are able to finish this in this week updates, we'll finish them. And we have some again, they are more than this, some are inside the shop there. So if we can finish it in this week, but if we can't finish, we'll just make few of these ones, and maybe few among this one, then we'll end the video and upload it. Then the next coming week we'll finish the rest of them. can use plier, but plier, no, I'm just telling you, use the hammer. Plier, the mouth has some line like this, and it will show on that rivet. That's why we do use hammer. But there are specialized plier. But still, the plier is not that strong. When you even press it, it can just remove at any time. But with hammer, watch your hand. Okay, it's okay. No, before you make that, before you punch the hole, you fold here, just like this. Wait, let me, this one first. This is what you want, right? Let's say for instance, you want to here like this, go. Then you start punching the hole from here. You just punch like 3 close to each other. Then open it. Just punch it. You don't need to fold again. You don't need to fold. Just start from here. You punch one, then you follow it. Do it now. That's the first one. No, backward. No. Very close to it. No, very, very close. Yeah, exactly. Then another one, very, very close. Instead of us to use a knife to cut it, so we just decide to do this way. So once you put this one now, you just drag it. Yes. No, let's go in here like this. If it's not enough, you don't have to fold. But if it's okay for you, you can fold. That's the way to fold to the SAT pop. Install the SAT order. Solar. Or maybe machine. And people do install machine too. That one they will bring it come and assemble it for you. Then SAT punch and punch. Something you need to have apart from those punch, you have other punch you use for eyelids. So this one, like maybe some things you want to do, this one mainly they use it for belt or shoe or even bag, like the way we are using it now. But there are some heavy stuff that you need to use that hand and use a hammer. Yes. Okay, we have it. Well, this is the set now because it depends on the work you do. If you use big eyelets, so you need to get see these are work, there are tools. If you see some tools, you'll be like, for bag making too. Yeah, for bag making, especially if you work with real skin, there are things you need to get a lot. So you not punch the hole. can start, but maybe like let me say, you see the way we start with this one. This one is just like 3 inch. Like those one you punch that you remove. It's not much that you remove, it can just leave it. Just like if we sew some bag, the zip you not open it from this side. So then if I make bad like that, you are not the owner of the bag, you want to open, I'll be like, if you touch that because some people will just be surprised that how come this zip is at the middle here? How come it's not on one side?
When you snap it
because it's new, the bag is new, so we want you to be. Okay, that particular bag. For this head now, we have to put something just to cover here. Not to only cover, we want to put it to cover, and for instance, if you shift this, it will just be on this strap. It will not be dangling up and down, just like this. Just like in belts now, it has, what is that thing called? It has its own name. Exactly, yes. Thank you for helping us out. Mongode. So guys, welcome back. I welcome all of you back. Thank you guys for watching, and as you can see, you have seen how we make most of this bag and the small one. You watch some time lapse. Actually, yesterday when we were working, I was supposed to show you some, but before I get back, I give it to my workers and apparently my IT student to me. So that's the reason why you didn't see some, but some that I was here, I later fixed the camera for them to show how. And this type will make it of two. This is orange, but okay, yeah, it has come out. This is orange. Then we have another one. We make it of two type. Some has hand and some without hand, and it has a long strap. So as you can see, you've also watched the long strap, us fixing the long strap. So after on, we are going to package this. So, and you see me explaining to one of our students, our previous student. She graduated from this place about 3 years ago, but she has gone to do some course in other places, and she came back to do IT. So I was showing her some things. You saw her. I was showing her some things we were working on. Since she came here to do IT and she's around today, she is around, and probably it was when we were making the video. So I just decided to give her some lecture on how to fix this strap. So that's just it. I hope you guys enjoy all the video. If you do, give this video a giant thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as you are watching this if you haven't subscribed, and when you subscribe, don't also forget to turn on the post notification bell. Leave in this comment section down below if you have any bag design you want us to do, or if you have any inquiry. And don't forget, you see most of these bags you are seeing, they are for clients. We make bag. If you are just an upcoming bag seller or vendor or a designer, you can get in contact with us. So we make bag, we design bag from scratch. Or if you have been making bag previously, and maybe people that make your bag, your artisan, they misbehave, so you can give us work. We are credible, our business is well registered, so, and we do everything for you. So enough talking. Okay, no, before I end the video, don't also forget our online training is pretty well still available for those of you. It is basically for one person. We make video for one person because we decide not to do it in group. So anytime you come, our training will be available. And for those of you who want the physical training, my WhatsApp will be in the description, so you can get in touch with me, talk and discuss how you want it to be. So guys, enough talking. Thank you guys for watching. As you can see, I'm trying to show you some of the 5 videos. Most of the small one you saw, and those one up there are from last week and last 2 weeks. So guys, from me and my team, we shall see you in the next one.